आप इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस बोल रहे हैं और रिलेटेड टू सेवरल आई सेड द स्कीम्स फॉर द गर्ल्स, स्कीम फॉर द ड्रॉप्ड आउट, मिड मील क्या बोलते हैं, मिड डे मील स्कीम, तो ये सारे क्या है, somewhere trying to improve the what is who poorest and more vulnerable, they will come to the schools. The schools may be there, but children may not attend or they may drop out of the few months. Through the school and social mapping, we must address the entire gamut of problem of social, economic and cultural and indeed linguistic and pedagogic issues and factors that prevent children from weaker section and disadvantaged groups as also as girls from regularly attending and complementing elementary education. The focus must be on the poorest and most vulnerable, since these groups are the most disempowered and the greatest risk of what? Violation. Yes or not? For or denial of their right to education. सबसे ज़्यादा right to education का violation कहाँ है? Denial. In the poorest and most vulnerable. और इसके लिए क्या बोला मैंने? Midday meal scheme. The right to education goes beyond free compulsory education, but it also includes what? Quality education for all. And quality is an integral part of the right to education. And if the education process lacks quality, children are being denied of their right to education. Yes or not? The right of children is to free and compulsory free education. Act lays down that the curriculum should provide for learning through activities, and I said that exploration and discoveries. Yes or not? Activities. तो यदि free और compulsory education दे रहे हो तो किस basis पे देना चाहिए? Tell me. In the form of what? Activities, exploration, discoveries. The places. This places an obligation on us. ये हमें क्या करता है? Providing, pressurizing us what obligation on us to change our perception of children as a passive receiver of knowledge. केवल knowledge बता दो वो सीख लेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. And to move beyond the convention of using textbook. हमें उसे passive भी नहीं समझना है और हमें move करना है textbook like academics पे नहीं जाना है as basis of एग्जामिनेशन. आज के डेट में एग्जामिनेशन का ऐसा बेसिस बना हुआ. द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस मस्ट बिकम स्ट्रेस फ्री एंड अ मैसिव प्रोग्राम फॉर करिकुलम रिफॉर्म शुड बी इनिशिएटेड. यस ना, जितने भी रिफॉर्म हमेशा हो उसका क्या होना चाहिए? रिफॉर्म. एंड जितने भी हमारे प्रोग्राम चल रहे हो करिकुलम, रिफॉर्म शुड बी इनिशिएटेड टू प्रोवाइड अ चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली लर्निंग सिस्टम दैट इज मोर रेलिवेंट एंड empowering. Teacher accountability system and process must ensure that children are learning and that their right to learn in a child friendly environment should not be violated. And testing and assessment system must be re-examined, redesigned to ensure that these do not force children to struggle between school and then tuition centers and bypass childhood. Then which are that? I said right to education ensure teachers accountability for the learning process of, ये 100% है. Right to education guarantees 100% enrollment of children in the schools. Completely wrong. ये तो जब भी ऐसी चीजें दिखाए ना 100%, always, all, yes, no, never, हमेशा अपनी कान खड़ा कर लो. The right to education intend to take full advantage of demographic dividend. तो हटा दो इसको. लेकिन I said यहाँ पे I said that full advantage of what demographic dividend का मतलब है that is in girls, boys. ये demographic dividend का मतलब है कि कैसा division है सोसाइटी में different एज ग्रुप पे है. तो demographic dividend, population किस एज में कितना है भारत में, तो ये है. तो लेकिन ये चीज़ मेंशन नहीं था, तो it is already wrong. So only one is correct. Rest आप लोग फिनिश कर लेंगे. नेक्स्ट जो